ginagaya niya.
Iba na lang yung mga post niya.
Ba't kasi tabingi yung phone mo? Dapat diretso mo, parang hindi ka nahirapan.
Ba, mahulog nga eh.
Yan, oh. Baka tumabingi yung drawing mo mamaya.
Hindi naman eh. Nakikita ko man. Mom, I do circle.
Oh, ito na mag-isa circle daw. Okay, play.
I see there.
Mga talented yung mga hinakis ko. Oh, yung isa naman, building a house daw. Oh, building a house. Okay. You build a house. Aya, galingan mo.
Pero wala yung architect.
Ito yung isa, designer. Architect, soon to be architect daw. Yung isa naman, karpentero.
Wala builder.
Builder siya ng house.
Parang
Go, Aya! Ba, galing ni Aya, oh. Go! One more, Aya. Same size. Oh, tama. That's right, Aya. That's right. Blue. Put it there. Sige, yan. Okay. Sige, sige, sige. Oh. Oh, yan. Put. It's okay, Aya. Go. Put mo. Yan.
Yes. Yes. Yes.
Oh, you have a circle, Aya. Good.
Okay. And triangle.
square and triangle.
Circle, square, triangle. Pero sabi niya, house daw niya yan.
I'll make a square.
Yan.
I'll make a square.
Draw Aya daw. Si Aya pala itong dinodrawing ni Ate Aba eh.
Kasabay kay Rainbow Dash.
Yeah. Kasi favorite ni Aya sa Rainbow Dash na magkatabi sila. Yeah, that is you, Aya. Wow. Signature.
Doon na kasabay sa akin.
The toy.